got early access to ASI Cloud and some free inference credits? Or maybe you're simply wondering how the platform can be useful for you. Here's a short walkthrough through a few powerful, everyday ways you can put ASI Cloud to work. With your API key from ASI Cloud, you can connect to almost any modern AI tool or workflow. The platform uses an OpenAI-compatible API, which means you can plug it into apps you already use. Let's have a look at a few examples. AnythingLLM. So if you're using ChatGPT every day, you can essentially replace that subscription with your own private chat app powered by ASI Cloud. In AnythingLLM, simply paste in your ASI Cloud API key, point it to the ASI Cloud-based URL, choose the model you want, and you're ready to go. You get a private chat experience, your choice of models, you get pay-as-you-go pricing with some free inference tokens, and there is no locked-in monthly fee. It's a simple upgrade that gives you more control and lowers your costs. OpenWebUI. OpenWebUI lets you create a fully custom AI dashboard that behaves like your own ChatGPT, but with your own models and your own data. Just set ASI Cloud as your inference provider by inserting your API key and base URL, pick a model, and start chatting. You can build your personal AI assistant, your app, you can run local-style workflows without local hardware, connect documents, tools, extensions, and test multiple models side by side, all powered by ASI Cloud Serverless Inference. Automations with Make.com, Zapier, or N8N. You can connect the Inference API to automation platforms such as Make.com, Zapier, N8N, and create AI-powered workflows that run automatically in the background. For example, you can generate summaries or reports for incoming emails, enrich customer data in your CRM, create agents that respond to messages, or build monitoring systems that think and not just trigger. In each platform, you can simply add an HTTP request module or an OpenAI node, paste in your ASI Cloud API key, select your model, and send your prompt. You can chain actions, create logic, and build full automations powered entirely by inference tokens. These are just a few examples, and they only scratch the surface. With OpenAI-compatible API key and a growing list of high-quality models, ASI Cloud gives you flexibility to build assistants, automations, dashboard agents, and full products, all without managing GPU hardware. And if you haven't tried it yet, explore the platform at asicloud.kudos.org and join our Discord community for more guides, templates, and support. Thanks.